Hello, I'm Janine Pettit, host of the GirlCamper podcast and Go RVing blogger. And I am here at Bankston Motorhomes in Huntsville, Alabama, and we're doing a little potty talk today. So a lot of my podcast listeners are afraid to empty their black and gray water tanks, and I'm going to show you how simple it is. But first I want to tell you that I completely understand. For 10 years I had a vintage trailer with a cold water pressure hose that ran out into the ground. And I always thought that real trailers were for people who were smart enough to operate built-in swimming pools and things that required a lot of knowledge. And when I got mine, I was flabbergasted by how simple it is. So let me show you what's involved in dumping your tanks. So I have here, I like this is the one I use. I use a Rhino Flex hose by Camco. And the first thing you want to do is you want to dump your black water tank. So the black water tank is up front and it's color coded. It has a black handle. So this is everything that's coming out of your potty. And you'll see that I'm wearing rubber gloves because there is bacteria involved and I want to make sure that I don't get anything on me. Okay, and that is tight, which you want it to be. This goes on. Camco's has 4, which I like, so it really snaps on. So we're going to just put that on here and we're going to turn it until we get it to click. There we go. Snap. It's on. That thing is on. Now, this end is actually going to track over and it's going to go in the RV waste station at the dumping station at the campground. Usually there's something heavy that sits on top of this, whether it's a big rock. Sometimes they have a big metal cover, but you definitely do not want to leave this alone. You want to put somebody's foot on it or something. So then you pull this. Everything comes rushing out of your black water tank and you're going to see it coming out through this clear hose. Now, there's a reason for this hose being clear. Okay, so when that is emptied, push it in. That's simple. When it's no longer flowing. Then we're going to come back here and we're going to pull the gray lever, which is our gray tank. The water in your gray tank is from your kitchen sink and from your shower. It's soapy water and it's going to rinse this hose out and clean it. And you're going to see the change in the color in this elbow. So the water is going to go from dark to clear, and when everything is out, you push that back in. And then you walk the hose. You just kind of walk it down and make sure everything has gotten out of it. Both valves are closed. And now we're going to take that back off. Put this one back on. Make sure it snaps. And then I just kind of hold this like this and let any water left drip out of it. And then it collapses back up and I store it. And I'm done. I'm not completely done with the toilet though. I then go inside, I fill the toilet bowl 2 times, 2 bowls full of water, and then I drop in my new tank deodorizer in dissolver. I put that in when I leave. If I have any other leftover ice cubes or anything, I throw those in the tank. Anything that might be stuck to the sides gets pushed around on your way home and you're ready to go for your next trip. That's simple. Give this video a like on Bankston's YouTube channel and be sure to share. Happy trails, everybody.